Are you looking for a home for all those air tools but don't want to store them in a toolbox? Well, take a look at this pneumatic tool rack from farmer Stan Prokosch of Bird Island, Minnesota. He took a 4x4 angle iron, drilled holes to accommodate couplers mounted above and below the angle iron. His idea allows you to store quite a few tools in a small area, and retrieving them is a snap. I'm Dave Mowitz with Successful Farming. I recreated this clever hack using 1.4-inch NPT air tool couplers with both male and female brass mountings. Next, I drilled half-inch holes every 4 inches, except for 2 holes at one end of the angle iron. I spaced those 2 holes out 8 inches to fit larger tools. To attach the couplers to the angle iron, I inserted the couplers with the male ends through the hole. I screwed them with the female couplers and tightened them with a wrench. To mimic Stan's plan, I used a length of hole strapping bent at one end, drilled a half-inch hole to the strapping, and attached it to the angle iron using a bolt. I added more couplers to the strapping to hold an array of pneumatic tool accessories. If you're ready to hack your farm shop, give us a follow and discover more shop hacks like this at agriculture.com/shophacks.